Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of solar panels, those sleek, shiny rectangles that are popping up on rooftops everywhere. You see, solar panels are like tiny power plants, but instead of burning fossil fuels, they harness the incredible energy of the sun to generate electricity. Pretty cool, right? Solar panels are a key player in the quest for clean, renewable energy sources. As we all know, fossil fuels are polluting our planet and contributing to climate change. Solar energy offers a fantastic alternative. It's clean, sustainable, and best of all, the sun's energy is virtually inexhaustible. So how do these solar panels actually work? Well, it all boils down to a scientific phenomenon called the photovoltaic effect. Don't worry, we'll break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Get ready to be amazed by the magic of solar power. The photovoltaic effect is the fundamental process that makes solar panels tick. It's a bit like alchemy, but instead of turning lead into gold, we're transforming sunlight into electricity. Here's the gist. Solar panels are made up of special materials, typically silicon, that have a unique property. When sunlight hits them, it knocks electrons loose. These freed electrons then start flowing, creating an electrical current. It's like a microscopic game of pinball, with photons of light acting as the pinball and electrons as the balls bouncing around. The more sunlight hits the panel, the more electrons are set free, and the stronger the electrical current becomes. This elegant process is what allows solar panels to generate electricity directly from sunlight, without any moving parts or harmful emissions. It's a clean, efficient, and remarkably simple way to harness the power of the sun. Now, let's take a closer look at the construction of a typical solar panel. Think of it as a sandwich with multiple layers, each playing a crucial role in capturing sunlight and converting it into usable electricity. The star of the show is the solar cell, usually made of silicon. These cells are arranged in a grid-like pattern and are responsible for the photovoltaic effect we just talked about. To protect these delicate cells from the elements, they're encased between layers of protective materials like glass and plastic. On the back of the panel, you'll find a junction box that collects the electricity generated by the cells. Wires connect the panel to an inverter, which converts the direct current, DC electricity produced by the panel, into alternating current, AC electricity that can be used in our homes and businesses. Just like there are different types of cars, there are different types of solar panels, each with its own set of characteristics and advantages. The most common types are monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin-film solar panels. Monocrystalline panels are made from a single high-purity silicon crystal, giving them a distinctive black color. They are known for their high efficiency, meaning they can convert a larger percentage of sunlight into electricity. Polycrystalline panels, on the other hand, are made from multiple silicon crystals, giving them a bluish hue. They are less efficient than monocrystalline panels, but are often more affordable. Thin film panels are made by depositing a thin layer of photovoltaic material onto a substrate like glass or plastic. They are less efficient than crystalline panels but are more flexible and lightweight, making them suitable for certain applications like curved surfaces or portable devices. In this section, we delve into efficiency and performance factors to consider. The efficiency of a solar panel refers to how much of the sunlight that hits it is converted into electricity. Higher efficiency panels can generate more power from the same amount of sunlight, making them a better choice for maximizing energy production. Several factors can affect the efficiency and performance of solar panels. The angle and orientation of the panels play a crucial role in capturing the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. Shading from trees or nearby buildings can significantly reduce energy output, so it's essential to choose a location with ample sunlight. Temperature also affects solar panel performance. While solar panels need sunlight to operate, high temperatures can actually reduce their efficiency. That's why it's important to ensure proper ventilation and airflow around the panels. Next up, Section 6, Environmental Champion, Solar Power's Green Credentials. One of the most compelling reasons to embrace solar power is its remarkable environmental friendliness. Unlike fossil fuels, solar energy production doesn't release harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, making it a key player in combating climate change. Solar panels also reduce our dependence on finite fossil fuel reserves, promoting energy independence and security. By harnessing the power of the sun, we can create a cleaner, more sustainable energy future for generations to come. Moreover, solar panel manufacturing processes are becoming increasingly environmentally friendly. Manufacturers are constantly innovating to reduce waste, minimize water usage, and utilize recycled materials in production. Moving on to Section 7, applications galore, powering our world. The applications of solar power are vast and ever-expanding. From powering homes and businesses to electrifying transportation and even exploring space, solar energy is finding its way into every facet of our lives. Residential solar installations are becoming increasingly popular, allowing homeowners to generate their own clean electricity and reduce their reliance on the grid. Commercial buildings can also benefit from solar power, lowering their energy costs and reducing their carbon footprint. Solar farms, large-scale installations of solar panels, are popping up worldwide, generating clean electricity for entire communities. Solar energy is also being used to power transportation, from electric vehicles to trains and even airplanes. Section 8. Economic advantages. Saving money with solar. Switching to solar power is not only good for the environment, but also for your wallet. While the initial investment in solar panels can seem significant, the long-term financial benefits are undeniable. Solar panels can drastically reduce or even eliminate your monthly electricity bills, saving you money year after year. As the cost of solar technology continues to decline, the return on investment for solar installations is becoming increasingly attractive. Moreover, many governments offer financial incentives, such as tax credits and rebates, to encourage the adoption of solar power. These incentives can further reduce the upfront cost of going solar, making it a financially sound decision. Section 9. The future is bright. Solar energy's potential. The future of solar energy is dazzlingly bright. As technology continues to advance, solar panels are becoming more efficient, more affordable, and more versatile than ever before. Researchers are constantly exploring new materials and manufacturing techniques to enhance solar panel efficiency and performance. Perovskite solar cells, for example, hold immense promise for their potential to surpass traditional silicon-based cells in efficiency. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning is also poised to revolutionize the solar industry. From optimizing panel placement to predicting energy generation and detecting faults, AI is set to unlock even greater efficiencies and cost savings. Section 10. Join the solar revolution, making a difference. The transition to a cleaner, more sustainable energy future requires a collective effort. Each one of us can play a role in this revolution by embracing solar power and advocating for its widespread adoption. Consider installing solar panels on your home or business to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a greener planet. Support policies that promote renewable energy and invest in companies that are leading the charge in solar innovation. Spread the word about the benefits of solar power and encourage your friends, family, and community to join the movement. Together, we can harness the power of the sun to create a brighter future for all. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing a sustainable future. As we've explored in this journey through the world of solar power, the sun offers us an abundant, clean, and sustainable source of energy. By harnessing the magic of the photovoltaic effect and embracing innovative solar technologies, we can power our world while protecting our planet. The transition to a solar-powered future is not merely a technological endeavor, but a societal one. It requires a shift in mindset, a willingness to embrace new possibilities, and a commitment to creating a more sustainable and equitable world for generations to come. Let us all embrace the power of the sun and work together to build a brighter future powered by clean, renewable energy. The future is in our hands, and it's looking brighter than ever.